guys, what's up? My name is Alex. I travel a lot for work.
This is how good it is. This is how good it is. That's good.
So come on everybody, follow my adventures and see where I'm going next.
Hey guys, we're at the Brighton right now. Me and the captain right here. Great guy. We're about to eat. We're about to eat some good steak and you'll see what it looks like. Super excited. Buenos Aires, first time.
Do you have the sauce? Sí, gracias, sí.
Amazing steak.
Sí, gracias.
Bife de chorizo and bife de lomo with some puree de papas. Amazing chimichurri sauce right there. Delicious.
Very, very, very good. Indeed.
Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world, one country at a time, experience culture, learn new things, and please come join me on my adventures around the globe. See you guys later. Bye.